boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. That means you wish for songs anytime and I bring them up for you on Wednesdays. So we have you, Quesadilla, you wish for Gracie Abrams, Free Now. And yeah, I slept on this one and I noticed this is a fairly new song, I believe. So yeah. Thank you for highlighting this one, Quesadilla, Free Now by Gracie Abrams. Let's take a look at this one. And we don't need any capo for this, all right? 5 chords, that's what we need. So let's go over the chords like we usually do. Starting out with C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor, that's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We got E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and the final chord will be F. So you bar the 1st fret there and bar all strings. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So C, A minor, G, E minor, and F. That's the tools, and we need to learn the strumming pattern, so we need to handle them in a correct way. So starting with the 1st chord, the 1st verse, that's C. So grab that one, and one strumming round will be like this. All right. So you're gonna use a clap technique here, but I suggest you clap just on the E string in the bass with your thumb or so. You don't want to kill the sound, so you don't want to clap on all strings because we're not working too much here on the strings, just a few downs and ups over a long period of time. It's a pretty long strumming pattern when it comes to time. So you want the sound to ring out, the strings to ring out as much as possible. So clap on E string, but the full strumming pattern will be like this. Down, clap, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, clap, then up, clap, down. All right, that is one round. So a couple rounds. And so on. All right, so we're ready for the actual song. I'm gonna start with the 1st verse, and yeah, you're gonna play C, 2 strumming rounds, F, 2 strumming rounds, then you do that again, C, 2 strumming rounds, and F, 2 strumming rounds, and that's it. You're gonna play for only that one chord progression round. So C2, F2, C2, F2, like this. Right, so there you have the 1st verse. Only one round of that, so I just played that through for you. Over now to the chorus. And we're going to continue the same strumming pattern, now different chords. And you're going to play only one string around per chord now. And the chord progression will be as follows: A minor, G, E minor, and F. That is one chord progression round, A minor, G, E minor, and F. One string round per chord. You're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds. I'm gonna give you one now. I think that is enough. So you hear how it goes for one round. It goes like this. And then starting on the 2nd round. think you understand. 2 rounds of that, and that is the first chorus. Then you go back again and play the second verse. Second verse will be played in exact same way as the first one, and the same goes also with the second chorus. After we play the second chorus, we are now into the final parts actually in this song. We're now about 1 minute and 45 seconds into the song. So this is a bridge / outro part, okay? So we're not gonna play any verses or choruses more. We're just gonna play this part and it's over. But we have still a bit to go here. We're gonna use now the C, A minor, F, and G, okay? That will be the chord progression for the rest of the song. Okay, so you have a different strumming pattern now, and it's basically just down, up, down, up. And it goes a bit faster. So long it has been very slow paced here, no hush or rush in the song. But now we're gonna speed up a little bit when it comes to the strumming, your strumming hand. So one string around will be now down, up, down, up. And like I said, C, A minor, F, and G will be the chord progression. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds of that per chord. So that is 1 round. So C4, A minor 4, F4, and G4. You're gonna play that part for 4 rounds. I'm gonna give you a couple rounds. Okay, that was 2 rounds. You're gonna play it twice as long, 4 rounds. And after that, you're gonna continue the same chord progression, all right? C, A minor, F, and G. Now you're gonna go back to the original strumming, down, clap, up, clap, down, okay? And you're gonna play just 1 strumming round per chord. C, A minor, F, G. I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds. You're gonna play 4 rounds. It goes like this. Yeah, 2 rounds there, you're gonna play for 4 rounds, and once you play that for 4 rounds, you actually ended Gracie Abrams free now, because that is the last thing that happens. So a great song from Abrams, free now. And Quesadilla, thank you for suggesting this one on Gordon Guitar. Yeah, we like Gracie Abrams here, so thank you for that. And all you Gracie Abrams fans, hope you are satisfied as well. So yeah, feel free to wish for songs here on Gordon Guitar. I get many wishes here, and I need to do some selection and bring out some songs that are that fits Gordon Guitar the best. And I try to spread also between all you guys who wish for songs, so not only one get all his voice here on Gordon Guitar. I'm gonna spread out a little bit here, so I welcome new wishers as well here on Gordon Guitar. So anyway, all that, thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to support me in any way you wish. Thank you so much, and play tuned.